This chapter now deals with capital budgeting, and we're going through some of the capital budgeting techniques that they talk about in your textbook. And in this next problem now, we're going to talk about internal rate of return and how you calculate it, what it means, things like that. The problem reads like this. It says project K costs $52,125. Its expected cash inflows are $12,000 a year for 8 years, and its weighted average cost of capital is 12%. What is the project's internal rate of return? Now, the internal rate of return is the interest rate that sets the present value of the inflows equal to the present value of the outflows. So it's the interest rate that sets the present value of the inflows equal to the present value of the outflows. In this case now, the inflows are $12,000 a year for 8 years, so we have an annuity here. 12,000, if you want to find the present value, you'd multiply by your PVIFA with n equal to 8. In this case, I equal to something. And we're going to set that equal to $52,125. So we're looking for that interest rate that sets the present value of the inflows equal to the present value of the outflows. That interest rate right here, this is your internal rate of return. The first step now, you don't solve directly for that. You solve for the interest factor. 12,000 times something is equal to $52,125. So if we take $52,125 and divide by 12, you get 4.3438. If you go to your PVIFA table, go down the left-hand column till you find n equal to 8. Go across till you find an interest factor of 4.3438. What you'll find is that in the 16% column, you'll find your PVIFA is 4.3436. So to 3 decimal places, we've got the interest factor. The rate of return is 16%. If you work this out on a calculator, present value is where you put the cost of the project. That's a negative number. It's an outflow. So that's a negative number. The payment is your inflows. This is the money, the cash inflows you get every year. That's a positive number. An inflow is a positive number. N is the number of payments. We got 8 $12,000 payments. Have your calculator solve for I, and you'll find 15.9989%. That's the internal rate of return on the project. That's what we would compare to the firm's cost of capital. And if the rate of return is greater than the cost of capital, we would accept the project. One of the reasons we would accept the project is because any project with a rate of return greater than the cost of capital also has a positive net present value. So we'd be adding to the value of the firm.